These are the 5 totally unexpected things you need to pick up for this holiday. These tricks are mind-blowing. Let's jump into it. Welcome back to Do It on a Dime. First up, here's why you need a tension rod this holiday. So I went to Walmart and I went to the bath shower section. I also picked up some shower curtain rings, and hang tight with how I'm gonna use those. But this tension rod is perfect if you wanna have incredible and beautiful archways in your home this holiday. Grandin Road sells this product so you can put garland in your doorway, but we're gonna do it using a tension rod that you would use for a shower curtain. These are really great because they're affordable and they're really sturdy, and you should get a color that blends in with your doorway. Then all you need to do is decorate like a pro. And this is actually fun, okay? You're gonna take 2 garlands, a string of lights, as well as some shower curtain rings, and I decided to add some berry picks to this one. I first put the tension rod up, and then I wrapped around my first garland and I attached it using the shower curtain rings.
You could do this lower in the doorway and then move it up to make it a little bit easier on yourself, but these shower curtain rings hold the garland on well. It just requires a little bit of floofing. I fold this in half so it lays evenly between the doorway. And don't feel like you have to watch videos like this and buy all new stuff every year. I definitely don't. These were garlands I had in my garage, and I'm gonna show you some tricks for sprucing up things that you already have at home to make them like new again.
Because I know if you're anything like me, I don't take the batteries out of my stuff at the end of the season and it gets all corroded. Put a little bit of rubbing alcohol on a Q-tip and you can really easily get all of that corrosion out, and most of your items will work again.
This is a great trick for those pre-lit battery pack garlands. Okay, I've also got to show you how I spruced up this even more, and that is my super secret Walmart picks. These are really great if you want to add some flocking but not buy a whole new tree, or add some flocking to a garland but keep existing ones. These are just $1.28 at Walmart.
Oh my. Hello. Hello.
Hello!
This is all about new this year. Right here, what I'm holding, some berries and some flocking, which you are all going to see in this video. I also took a command hook and I stuck it on its side, on the inside of the molding. That way I could adhere this entire garland to the side so it wasn't going to flop around. And optional, but y'all, this makes a huge difference, is to grab some of these sensicles. Typically these are for Christmas trees, but because you're walking underneath of the doorway all the time, it just wafts so beautifully. Stick around because you're going to see the entire room. I did both doors.
I absolutely love thinking outside the box for the holidays. Okay, so Walmart sells these beautiful golden bells for just $3.98.
I tied some of this Dollar Tree ribbon on it. I just love it. It reminds me of Pottery Barn, and then zip tied one of the Walmart picks inside of the bell. I took a C-hook and I put it between the mirrors so I could attach these. You could also do command hooks right on your wall. I'm going to show you the whole room because I put 3 of these down the wall, but there's one more hack I want to put here.
All right, we're going with other unexpected holiday items. Today, we're gonna be working with Spackle. I absolutely love Spackle for Christmas. Why? Because it looks like snow and it looks like frosting. Check out this beautiful DIY using Dollar Tree products.
Pottery Barn has so many gingerbread items this year. This is definitely the new trend, but it really is expensive. So we're gonna have some fun together. Get some wood bead garlands from the Dollar Tree and a wood sign from the Dollar Tree. I use this garland all over my house this year. I bought several of them and I just hot glued this to the bottom of that wood board. Walmart has an incredible $3 section at the front of the store where you can find some gingerbread looking houses, or just go to the Dollar Tree. All of these small items were from there. Now we're gonna get out that spackle. And before you say, I'm not a great DIYer, Kathryn, I don't think I can do this, this is a DIY you can definitely do. So once you've got those wooden beads glued to the bottom, we're just gonna add spackle to the top of this board. It looks like snowdrifts and frosting all at the same time. I just used a disposable little knife for this and spread it all over the top. You could make large versions of this, mini versions of this. I used about half a tub for this project. Turn on your favorite Christmas movie. I think mine is Miracle on 34th Street, and you can get spackling. I wanted this to look like snowdrifts, so I even went as far as to add some spackle to the top of the houses, just to give it some texture, but I wanted the sparkle to show through underneath. I also really like these little Christmas trees. I found these at the Dollar Tree and I just love the gold on them. I also added a little bit of the faux snow. And of course, my favorite thing this season are lights. I like to put this in before the spackle sets. So I just lifted up the houses and I stuck a little chunk of them inside, and then I could tuck the wire underneath of the board because it has a little lift. I'm just thinking of all the different things that you could put this on. Make this as big or as small of a village as you want, and it's transportable. I set this on top of my board I made from the Dollar Tree a few months ago, and I love how it turned out. I think this entire room kind of has notes of gingerbread now.
Unpopular opinion, but I'm totally gonna say it. You don't need brand new things to have a tree that you love. In fact, everything that you see in this room was all items that I have, came from the dollar store, or were ornaments that were $1.98 at Walmart.
I just want to encourage you this season to love your space and find a way to love the things that you already own. So this Christmas tree, once I took it out, I started flocking it. It's a couple of years old now, but I really like it. And I do have a whole video on how to DIY flock a tree if you're interested. My secret weapon and hack is ribbon, a beautiful new ribbon.
The way that I help my tree feel new every single year without spending a lot
is uniquely placed ribbon. I took about 24 inches of ribbon and I set it into the tree, and then I tied the tree itself around the center so it looked like a little bow. You also need a lot less ribbon for this, so I only had to use one spool, so it was definitely money saving. And those Dollar Tree wood garlands, I used them all over the room this year.
Look at them, they are so pretty. I put them on the little trees behind me, and I love all of the wooden touches.
This year, I kind of went with a wood Scandinavian theme. I absolutely love these little cloches. And I just tucked a few wooden Dollar Tree snowflakes into the tree as well. You get 3 of these for $1.25. I had them left over from the hanging orbs I did on my mantle that was in my previous video. These are just 2 wood hoop wreaths attached together that dangle from some navy string.
My secret for a mantle is using 2 garlands. Here I have this one I got from Walmart. I'll be sure to link all of these down below. And then a really cheap one on top. You can get it for less than $10. And then I put some picks inside. I also have all of these little snowflakes that I got from the dollar store.
These beautiful wood houses and trees were all from my stash. I originally got them from the dollar spot at Target. But Walmart has similar versions like it this year if you're looking for something right around that $3 price point.
And super fun hack, I did not have a tree topper, but this one is so beautiful and perfectly matches. I took 2 dollar store ornaments, I zip tied them together, and then I just hot glued ornaments I already had at the top. Get creative, use what you have. I feel like sometimes when we see all these things online, we feel like we have to buy everything new. One of my favorite things to do is shop my stash and use the things that I have and give them a bit of new life. Here's another incredible hack using a Dollar Tree product, okay? They sell those little wooden boxes. I got 24 of these, stained them. Now the front of this is so cool. I just went to the pegboard section of Dollar Tree, got these little pegboard hooks, and I was able to use those as little drawer pulls. Then I used my Cricut machine to label these 1 to 24, and I have a beautiful advent calendar in the kitchen. Isn't that so cute?
And then I pulled out stuff from my stash. Now I want to know in the comments, do you organize your Christmas decor by room of the house, or do you organize it by type of item? I used to do it by room, but now I do it by type of item because I found that I really like to mix things up each year. Isn't this little advent scene so cute using all Dollar Tree products and of course Dollar Tree candy? And now I've got to take you outside too.
In a recent video, I'll be sure to link it down below, I made a really cool gingerbread man using some leftover landscape edging. This turned out so cool. And here's one thing I did spend a little bit of money on this year, but they were still affordable. I went to Walmart and got these giant cookies. They're giant sparkly cookies, and I set them outside next to the gingerbread man. I love doing small touches like this all on a budget.
And I want to know your thoughts. So these are $9.84. They had them in red, but they also had them in pink too. Where would you put these? How would you use them? I also think you could wrap these in cellophane to use year to year.
Let me know in the comments down below. What was your favorite hack? I can't wait to hear from you. And leave this video a thumbs up. If you want more like this, I'm happy to deliver. My sweet friend, if nobody has told you today, you are enough. I'll catch you soon.